Hey everybody, welcome back to Craps University. Today we're going to talk about the inside reinforced strategy. So the inside is 5, 6, 8, 9. We'll do 110 inside and we'll press up the number that is at its highest. The first hit, that's up to you to choose what number is going to get pressed. So each roll, plan on trying to rake $5 to $15 to your rack. The rest gets pressed. And then once you hit 120, we will stop the pressing on that and we'll start locking in profits from there on out and waiting for that big number to hit. So basically, out of the 4 hits, you're looking to keep pressing one number up to 120. So it could be 120 on the 6 or 8 or 125 on the 5 and 9. Your decision how you want to play your game and strategy, but it's pretty straightforward. And we're going to just go through, we're going to run through this and see how we do. And we're looking for a number. And we've got a 6. 6 came easy. No pass line, no field, no come bets, no props, no hard ways. Very straightforward. And 3 craps. Nothing happening. And 7 out. Yikes. But that happens all day long in craps. Let me go ahead and just get set up for the next shooter. The numbers will be off. And 6 again. All right, we're looking to hit something. And 8. All right, so what are we going to press here? I'm going to press that 9. That's our skim. Back to our rack, $10. And 9. Hit that 9. 50 pays 70. And we're going to press up to 100. And we're going to skim this time $20 in chips. Two craps. And 8. We're at our max 125 on that 9. We're going to skim 10. From here on out, we are going to collect. Hopefully, we'll hit that 9. And 7 out. That's too bad. Just getting set up for the next go around. Looking for a point. 7. Pay the line. Winner. 9. That's the point. Numbers were off. And we're looking for some hits. 4. 6. $30 pays $35. We're going to press up to 8 this time. Skim that 5. And 10. $8. 60 pays $70. We're going to press up to 120. That is our max. We're going to skim 10. And we're going to collect from here on out. 3 craps. $8. 120 pays 150. $8 again. $120 pays $150. And 9.9. 25 pays 35. We're off. All our numbers are off. Looking for a point. All right, here's the come out. 8. 8's the point. $12 craps. $6. 30 pays 35. Looking for a point. 8. 5. 25 pays 35. Seven out. That was a good roll. All right, what do we have here? 200. Two, 3, 4, 500. 530. 630. 2,630. So $130 profit. With that, just that last roll got us in the ball game because we hit that 8 when we were maxed 2 times in a row. That's pretty good. It's not a bad little strategy. It makes sense. You're pressing one number on the high frequency. We tried 9. We got it max, but never hit it. The 8 was definitely a better choice because there's one more combination for an 8 than a 6. So, than a 5, 6 and 8. Those would probably be the ones. I was going for the 9 because it pays out a little bit better. So there's some variations that you can do here. The first 2 hits, you can collect those. But I would rather start stacking and hoping that we're going to hit. And I think we did hit both the 8 and the 9 when we were not maxed out. But that helped us get maxed out even quicker. That's a very conservative way that makes sure that you're racking some money. And then Then the aggressive way to do this is as soon as you get one maxed out, you go for a second. So if you do the 8, you can do a 9 or do a 6. Up to you what inside numbers you like, but 6 and 8 have pretty high frequency. All right, if you like this strategy, if you feel like you can be successful with it, go ahead and drop a comment. Let us know your results. I plan on trying this to see what kind of things I run into. Knowing me, I'll probably go the aggressive route, and it'll all be off the chain probably. If you like what you're seeing, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the bell to get notifications. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.